Hello, my dear viewers and my dear students. Today we are going to talk in this video about the operating system. So before starting this, what is operating system, what are the functions of operating system and types of operating system, I heartily request you please go through my other videos like what is computer software, what are the computer different types of computer software like system software and application software. I have made one previous video also, so please go through that video so that it will be clear, you will be clear regarding this software. So here we are talking about the system software. So system software is one of the main software or basic software that is designed to control, supervise over all types of hardware, computer resources and their functions. So among that system software, one main system software is operating system software. So we'll discuss this operating system in this video. So operating system, if you'll go with the term wise, so we can find here operating system is a main software, a basic software that is designed to control and operate over all hardware and control their functions. So this operating system is one management system software that defines the operations or executions of over all different hardwares and make their communications among with the different hardware. That is the system software or operating system software. So we can say operating system software is one lifeblood of the hardware that really makes that hardware workable. So OS is the large collections of system software which manage the all resources, means hardware and other programs of a computer system such as input, output device, memory device, processing units and other else, and it makes the communication among all. So OS creates working environment to all hardware and other application software so that it helps to interact, to make the interact or working environment to other users as well as. So some example of Microsoft operating system, we can say Microsoft Windows 10, now Windows 11 is upcoming. So like Mac OS, Linux, Unix, Android, so iOS. So there are numbers of operating system we can find. So here are, we can find the different types of, some are open source operating system which can be edited, which can be modified, and some of like Android different versions operating system we can find. So and roles of operating systems means what does it do, what are the main functions of operating system, how does it work. So we can make it like OS acts as intermediary between the hardware and application program. It makes a hardware workable and makes communication among, and also controls and executes the functions, and it provides the security and prevents the system from the unauthorized access, hackers, crackers and other viruses like malware softwares, and it also notify the users about that malfunctions. Okay, and also it also manages the scheduling process and provides the tasks to the different peripheral devices that are connected to that particular CPU and that are able to work, manage to work under the CPU. It also handles over all computer resources and makes them ready to perform the task. So it is an basic interface. So here is the we are the human users. So human users directly will be not being able to communicate with the hardware. So operating system is required. So operating system makes the communications with the hardware to the users. So there are other parts of operating system we can find that makes hardware workable and functionable with the operating systems and other software, other application software that makes communication with hardware. Okay, so in this way we can find the different functions of operating systems, like input output management, command interpreters. So different types of command, different types of instructions can be managed for that particular hardware, like data management systems, file management systems, memory management, job management, process management. For this, all are the functions of operating systems we can find. Users interface, like interrupt handler, if there is some interruptions of by using some different hardware, or maybe like data traffickings and other. So networking, it helps to communicate with any other different devices and systems. Deadlock preventions, security management, it also prevents different types of data security from the different types of malware and hackers. Communication management, process management, so device management, an intermediator, it functions as an intermediator. Virtual storage management if they requires, and time sharing. So these are the different functions. So we'll go with this all different functions in detail in next video. So in this way, so I hope I have made it clear. So please wait for my next video, and I'm humbly request you, if you like it this, please motivate me with some comments, and do the subscribe and share it. Thank you, my dear viewers.